yeah, try to teach that you should discretionarily stop yourself out. But I'll throw in that that requires experience, because if you just do that without experience, you're just going to close out all your trades too early, basically.
Mm, that's also a good point. Yeah, but most people don't exit with limit orders. So most people
Yeah, good
exit
point. Yeah, good point.
either when they're in panic or when they're frustrated or when they just basically hit the flat all button, right? Or they just press the.
I'm just gonna throw this out there to the chat. If from now on, try this for like a week or two when you want to do your intraday or scalp or whatever. When you sit down and look at your chart and say, I want to bet on this going up, how about instead of entering, you just wait until people that are trading that direction get shit on and then enter when they get shit on. So when you want to long, don't long, wait until the people that are already long get stopped out and then long. And I bet you your hit rate is going to go, your hit rate's going to triple that week if you do that.
This is what you can try, and you should also not be hesitant to just enter and exit. If the trade not working, just exit and then try again and then try again, right? If you, as long as you can keep your losses small, basically, yeah, you cannot expect to really hit if you trade for these inflection points, right? You cannot identify an inflection point in real time with 100% certainty. That's not possible, right? So you always have to plan for multiple entries and re-entries, right? You must be really at peace with that idea that
Yeah,
you will not.
uncertainty. That's a good lesson, regardless of what style of trader you want to be. You have to accept the uncertainty in the market, that you will never know, and that you're always a gambler. So even if you have
Exactly,
the strongest edges possible, I have every edge in this one trade that I could possibly have, so all the probabilities are stacked in my favor, it's still a gamble because there's still always a chance that it doesn't work out for you, right? Even if it's the best trade in
exactly.
history.
Yeah, exactly. Because there's just like these old timers say, there's a random distribution of winners and losers for any given set of trades, right? For any given sample of trades, right? So you never know. You might know that over 100 trades, you end up a positive EV from trade to trade. Yeah, you just don't know really, and that's why you cannot. That's why you have to really think about how you do your bankroll management, right? So what do you do after you have maybe 2 or 3 losses in a row? Right? Do you maybe size up or do you size down in that case? Right? How do you manage this? This is a big part of any day trading kind of, right?
Yeah, absolutely.